This is Rob at SouthWare. Making third-party payments and tracking them is very easy to do in SouthWare. The example that I'm going to use is one of my employees is going to purchase some office supplies and pay for it with a company credit card. And I want to show the flow of the payments to the vendor and to the vendor that I purchased supplies from, and then to the credit card company. So what I'm going to do here is enter the transaction made at the office supply company. Go ahead and do that for today. I'm going to set it as a prepaid, and as my payment code I choose third-party payment. The vendor I already know is my credit card company. I know the accounts that I'm going to use. I'm not going to override the invoice at this point or change the due date. I'm going to enter in the vendor that I made the purchase from. Didn't use a PO. Enter in a receipt number. Enter in the amount. Take the defaults here. And I will go ahead and add the distribution and stick it in the office supply account. So that's where I want it to go. Now, having done that, I'm going to go post it. Okay, now I have entered a transaction showing that I paid vendor 20. Let's go take a look at what vendor 20 shows. For vendor 20, no items. Let's take a look at history. Look at the most recent documents. There it is. This is a transaction that I just did. It's now been posted directly into history for this vendor, showing that I don't owe money to the company Office Supply Central. They've been paid. But now if I go take a look at the credit card company, it posts as an open item to be paid. So now when I get my credit card bill, I can actually pull up the list of all these transactions, see where they came from, and then pay them appropriately. Very easy to do. This is Rob at SouthWare. If you have further questions on how this process works, or if you need assistance setting it up, please call us at 210-341-9188 or email us at sales, S-A-L-E-S, at flextx.com or support at flextx.com.